Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting, and I've got another video for you. I mentioned in my last one that I had been getting some things at Dollar Tree. I've really, again, like I said in my last one, we are looking at moving, so I've been purging, but I also have been organizing, and so sometimes you need some things to organize. And so let me show you what I have been getting to organize, and then I have bought some things for a project, but they're different than what I've showed you before. Okay, so I may have showed these before. These are the clear totes. They snap. They are about 8 by 6, 6 by 8, and about 3 inches deep. But these are, what I'm using these for is like collections, or maybe not even collections that are like come together, but I am matching up myself. So like, for example, this one has a lot of travel stuff in it. And this is from all different things. There is some stickers in here that I've had, honestly, for years. Some of these little wooden pieces. Oh, there's another one. Let me throw that in there. Some stickers from the Dollar Tree that I have mounted on some circles to make some ephemera. I had a paper pad that had some travel stuff in it. And then there's another paper pad that's just maps, some washi tape. I believe all this came from the Dollar Tree. So I've just got all that together in this tote. And, you know, if I need to pull out some solid color or something like that to go with it. But all my things that are travel-y are in here, okay? So I bought a few of these, and that's quite a bit, especially when you start adding the washi tape. But let me show you too, this is a recent one, because they've had these for a while. I had trouble finding what my Dollar Tree it sucks, guys. I always go to them out of town anytime I get a chance to. Okay, this is in the school section, in the back to school section. This is so cute. This reminds me of the 12 by 12s that you get for scrapbook paper, but this is, I want to think like 6 by 6. About 6 3/4 by up to the handle is 6. And you can see, so the paper that's in here, this is 6 by 6 paper, but it's still got the Brandon strip on it, and it fits in there. So again, this is kind of a kit. This is a smaller kit. I didn't need the big box for that. And actually, this is not 6 inches wide. So my 6-inch papers, I have to cut them down to like hard front size. I cut them down to A2 size to fit in there. So if you can't tell, this is a kit I put together of all my bee stuff. I've kind of, I don't know, I kind of started liking that. And so if I had a paper pad that had some bee stuff, I would pull it out and kind of put it together. And some die cuts that I've done that are bees and things like that. So also, I don't have a lot of like Easter and Valentine's and St. Patrick's. So for, like I said, small card selections or card kits, this is about 1 inch deep. Now let me show you though. It holds a lot. So I've got a couple of these. So this is my spring one, and I've not labeled them yet. But this is spring. So I've got Easter, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and I got washi tape in it. I mean, it's thick enough to hold washi tape. I've even got, this is my baby one, and I've got some more baby stuff to gather up. And I actually have a baby boy, I had a whole kit of, or a whole set of washi tape. And I really did not think this one would go in. This one is, it's a little bit over 1 inch. It's like 1 1/8 inches. And it still goes in. Now, if I add a lot of stuff to it, I may have trouble, but right now it goes in. And so I'm really excited about those. Okay, so that's my storage things. Now, the others are some projects. Now, I have a laser that I got for Christmas, and it took me like 3 weeks before I was brave enough to turn it on, because there's a lot of safety things to consider with a laser. But I did finally do it, and so I'm always looking for blanks to use. Now I have a K40, Omtech K40, the blue and gray. If you have one, hey, comment, let me know what kind you have. But I have started making some things. I started out with making some coasters. These are on some wood slices. These are not Dollar Tree. But then recently, and I'd seen this on other people's, the Dollar Tree, and not mine because mine never has anything, but these are $1 bamboo cutting boards. And so I tried one of those, and look how great it turned out. So I'm super excited about that. And I did find, I've been looking at these spoons to do. Just $3 for a set of 5. You know, you can buy these one at a time for $1.25. This is a better deal. This would be this would be in 5, $6.25 if I'd bought them individually. And here's the crazy thing. The store where I was trying to buy them, like you couldn't get them off the little hook because there was like a ball on the end of the hook and they wouldn't pull off. So I couldn't buy them. But you can laser the handle, you can laser like the spoon. So I'm gonna do that. I also got this block. I've seen these are like birth announcements, and they'll do like an initial on one side where it looks like an old like wooden block. Then they'll do like their name on one side, and one side it'll have maybe a saying and like how their birthday, and then like their height and weight. So I'm gonna try one of those. Now this is not solid. You can actually see where it's pieced together. But for $1.25, I can definitely use this as a sample. And I have a friend that had a baby recently, and I got his information. I said, can I use him as a, you know, to try my sample? And she's super excited about that. And then I did get some pencils because I'm going to try to laser some pencils now. And I may have some of these at home, but my kids couldn't guarantee it. So I went ahead and bought some. But you can actually like, so it has words here. You can actually like put names. So think about back to school, putting your kids' names on their pencils, or for teachers. That'd be cool teacher gifts too. So those are the things I've got. Those are some projects I'm working on. Also, a little bonus here. I have a new logo, and so I've got to get it for my videos. But it's the old sewing machine with the CCC, and that will be what you start seeing. I've got it on my laser items. So until next time, see ya.